I have 3 tips for your email subject line that are sure to help you get customers to open your email. The first tip is to use your customer's name in the subject line. If you don't know how to automate this, comment below and I'll do a separate video showing you how. The second tip is to use a celebrity's name in the subject line. These two go hand in hand because the 2 things people love the most are themselves and celebrities. The final tip is to ask an intriguing question. Okay, here's 3 examples of real emails I sent with these exact subject lines. For the first one, let's pretend that my customer's name is Anna. The subject line read, "Anna, do you want something from Starbucks?" This intrigues her to click on the email because it seems like it might be directed solely to her. For the second one, I have a leather jacket in my boutique that's similar to the one that Hailey Bieber has worn, so the subject line read, "3 times Hailey Bieber has worn our jacket." And the final subject line was, "Is it too late?" In this email, I convinced customers that it's not too late to step up your style game for 2021. Like for more email tips.